Happy Makeup Monday, friends! Beautycounter's been promoting its cosmetics each Monday during the month of February. This is the 4th one, so tune in and learn what's up for today. Today, when you order a Beautycounter blush, you get a free angled blush brush, and I just wanted to show you quickly how it works. Beautycounter has paper packaging for its blushes. They consider everything. This is the Tawny Whisper, and again, my blush brush. I'm gonna use the flat side of the brush and dip it into the contour color and just gently, lightly stroke it down the contour of my cheeks. I've already got a little bit on, but just wanted to show you how the brush works. And then I'll dip the tip of the brush into the pinkier color for a little pop of color on the apples of my cheeks. And then I am ready to go for the day. Thanks for getting silly with me and putting on my blush with me today. I'm going to post below a flyer about Beautycounter's stance on heavy metals, and you will love what you read there. If you'd like to take advantage of this promotion, please send me an email and we'll be in touch. Thanks so much.